How to transfer money from Gemini to bank account. Have you ever wanted to withdraw your crypto from Gemini but weren't sure how to do it? In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Gemini to your bank account. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm your name, and I'm passionate about all things crypto. Today, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Gemini to your bank account. Step 1. Sign in to your Gemini account. The first step is to sign into your Gemini account. You can do this by going to the Gemini website or app. Step 2. Click on the Withdrawal button. Once you're signed in, click on the Withdrawal button. This will take you to the withdrawal page. Step 3. Select your bank account. On the withdrawal page, you will need to select the bank account that you want to transfer your money to. Step 4. Enter the amount of money that you want to transfer. Next, you will need to enter the amount of money that you want to transfer. Step 5. Click on the Submit button. Once you have entered the amount of money that you want to transfer, click on the Submit button. Step 6. Wait for your money to transfer. It can take up to 5 business days for your money to transfer from Gemini to your bank account. You can only transfer money from Gemini to a bank account that is in your name. If you are transferring a large amount of money, you may need to provide additional identification. You can check the status of your transfer by going to the Transactions page on your Gemini account. Conclusion. That's it. I hope this video has helped you learn how to transfer money from Gemini to your bank account. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crypto content. If you're looking to buy or sell crypto, I recommend using Gemini. They offer a wide variety of coins and tokens, and they have a very user-friendly platform. Here are some additional resources that you may find helpful. Gemini's website: https://support.gemini.com/hc/articles/36000/6562132-how-do-I- withdraw-USD- from my-Gemini- account. Gemini's Help Center: https://support.gemini.com/hc/n-us. Thank you for watching.